Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing clean audio and labeling files so nothing gets lost. First, test levels and remove background noise with a quick noise gate. This saves edit time later. Once done, choose your transcription path, automated for speed, human for accuracy, and set format targets like SRT, VTT, or plain text. Make sure to timestamp at common intervals and keep speaker notes. These decisions determine your workflow and downstream editing steps. You now run the audio through your chosen engine and prepare to correct its output. After upload, select language, acoustic model, and enable punctuation or profanity filters so results match your target audience. Once the job completes, skim for systematic errors, names, acronyms, or repeated mishears, and fix them in bulk with search/replace. Then align timestamps to visual edits and export both transcript and caption files so you can import them into your video editor without losing sync. You finish by importing captions into your editor and checking lip sync across the timeline. Small offsets cost viewer trust, so nudge timestamps if needed. Then choose whether to burn captions in or supply sidecar files and export multiple formats for distribution. If parts remain unreadable, rerun only those segments with a higher accuracy model or send them for human review. This targeted reprocessing saves time and yields near-perfect captions for your.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.